Hello everyone to this tutorial about table joins. If you are familiar with table joins, feel free to skip this tutorial to the next one. What are the different types of table joins? Let's have a look at these two tables. First, customers. And in customers table, we have three customers with three ID. So we have this customer, and this customer, and these are their information. And the second table is about orders. So we have the order ID, the customer ID, and the order date. And let's see what are the ways that we can join these two tables. And keep in mind that there is one matching column between these two tables. The matching column here, or the common columns between these two tables, is customer ID. We have customer ID here, and we have customer ID here. Let's first understand what is inner join. In inner join, we only retrieve or get the records from these two tables when the values in that common column are matching. So to join table A with table B, we should have a value existing in table A and the same value should be existing in table B. And let's have a look at our two tables here. Customers table and orders table. And as we mentioned that the common column between these two tables is customer ID. We have customer ID in orders, customer's ID in customers. So if you want to join these two tables in inner join, we should find only the matching values. Let's come to orders table and have a look at the first value. The first customer ID, which is ANATR, is existing in orders table and also existing here. In other words, the customer who placed the order is this customer. So that means we are showing or retrieving the first row. And again, the same customer here has another order. So far, this customer has two orders. So again, we need to join another row from these two tables. We start seeing here that there are some repetitive records or rows because same customer has more than an order. And the same thing for this customer, has three orders in sequence. So that's why we have this three here also. And again, we return to the first customer, and again the second customer, and so on. So you find only these two tables joined based on that. And in this case, you don't find any null values because based on inner join, there is no order without a customer who placed that order. And that's simply the inner join. Let's have a look at the left join. In left join, we retrieve all the records from the left table and only the matching records from the right table. So let's have a look at the same example. Based on the left join, we should retrieve all the records, even the records that doesn't have an existing value on the orders table. So this customer didn't place any order, but we still need to show it here because this is a left join. And based on that, this customer doesn't have any order. That's why when we join them, you will find that we got null values in orders table. So this is the left join. Let's have a look at full outer join. In full outer join, we are retrieving all the data from the left and from the right. Doesn't matter if we have an existing matching values in the common column in these two tables. So if we look at the outer join, you will find we retrieve here all the records, all or the customers. We have null in orders in front of this customer because this customer didn't place any order. And at the same time, we have two orders here in orders table without the customer ID or customer name. The customers here are unknown, but we still need to show these orders based on the full outer join. So when you have full outer join, you expect to find null values in both tables or in all tables if you have more than two tables joined. And right outer join is exactly like left join, but we are taking the opposite case. We are retrieving all the data from the right table and only the matching from the left table. So you expect these to be the opposite way. You will get null values in customers and you will get all values from orders. So just only the opposite way.